channel. It's your girl Anna of Lebanna Beauty, and if it's your first time stopping here, welcome. Please subscribe. I know I've been gone for like a really long time. Like, it's actually ridiculous at this point. It's been like
February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September.
It's like 7 months, and I apologize. And to all my old subscribers who, you know, are wondering where I was, and to all my new subscribers, thank you. I've gained like a lot of subscribers even though I haven't posted a video, because my ponytail video, for some reason everyone started searching that video up this summer and it got so many views. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. I've passed the YouTube threshold, so I'm really excited about that. Anyway, today I'm going to be doing a fall tutorial slash chit chat, get ready with me slash I just haven't filmed in a while. Sorry, my hands are moving a lot because I haven't filmed in a while. I'm trying to get back, you know, into the mix. I'm just gonna put my hands down. But yeah, so I'm going to be filming that video, and yeah, I'm just going to be talking, letting you know where I've been, a little bit of life updates here and there. And yeah, without further ado, just keep watching. So I'm back with my brows done because I can't do my brows and talk at the same time, and it takes me like 10 years to do my brows. Anyway, next thing I'm going to go in with is my P. Louise base as my eyeshadow primer. I've been loving this. It's really pale. It's almost like white, but it works. So as I said earlier, I'm going to be answering the question that's glaring to everyone, which is, where have I been? Where have I been? I've been all over the place. I've been doing some traveling also, visiting family and friends all over the country, and it's summertime, so I've just been really busy. And I also like have been settling into like my new living arrangement. It's a little different from where I was earlier in the year, and so like I need to set up that, and then filming and to sort out how I'm going to film there, and like, you know, where I'm going to film in the house. And it's just been a lot, to be honest, but as I said, I'm back and I'm better. Yeah, also for my new subscribers who don't really know me, you can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I'll put them on the screen here, and that's really where you would honestly get to know me better, because I'm on there a lot, and especially my Snapchat, I'm literally there every single day, and I post more like personal stuff on there. So if you really want to get to know your girl and talk to me, I'm on there all the time. And my eye look today is actually very simple. It's not very dramatic. It's just like one color, just smoked all the way out. I'll probably use like 2 colors, but the overall look is just like a 1 color look. Anyway, yeah, so I've been like watching a lot of YouTube videos of late, just, you know, to get my motivation up and everything. And I've been seeing this drama that's been going on YouTube, and it's honestly ridiculous. Everybody is telling their truth. I don't know who's lying, I don't know who's telling the truth. But oh, my camera battery is about to die. My camera battery is about to die, so I will be right back. Give me 1 second. Let me switch the batteries. Ow! I switched out the batteries and I'm back. I actually want a new camera. Thinking about it, I'm not really in love with mine anymore. So yeah, as I said, I've been seeing people doing their truth on YouTube, and it's become pretty draining. I'm going in with Ada from the Masquerade palette by Juvia's place, and it's become kind of draining. It's so crazy. But yeah, so I just packed this onto my lid. I want it more rounded and more like, you know, winged out. And I'm also doing a wing today, so I really want the color to I want the main color on the lid to be more rounded. I'm just going to shut up now and just do my makeup. So now that I've packed on the color, as you can see, very packed onto my lid, I'm going to go in with Zulu from the same palette, and I'm just going to use that to blend out the edges, because it's like a brownish tone that's closer to my skin tone. I just feel like it'll blend out the edges really nice. And I'm blending it pretty far out because I want it, as I said, to be really smoky. Going in little circles in like and also in like a windshield wiper motion. So it's just a mix of different movements. Look how nicely that inner section is blended out. I feel like my camera is washing me out. I'm so tired of this, but you get what I mean. I'm going to just keep watching and see what I'm doing. more red and pack that on because I feel like I lost some color. I'm going to go in with a clean brush with no product on it and just blend that into the concealer, the edge into the concealer, just so there's no harsh line. Taking it pretty far out. Like pretty much into my brow in the middle because I want it really high up in the middle. You know, it's fall, we're going for like, you know, vampy and everything, all the, you know, fall spirits. I'm not really a fall type of person. I miss summer so much. I mean, it's still summer, but like, I miss the excitement of knowing summer is lasting long and summer is just starting and summer is coming. Like, summer is my favorite time of the year. It's my birthday. I turned 21 this year. Woo, finally legal, yay, yay. And so this summer was amazing, and it's just so sad that it's ending. I'm so sad. So I'm done blending this eye. You can see the difference between this eye and this eye. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on this eye, and I'll be back. I'll be right back. So now both eyes are done, and I think the blend is amazing. I blended it all the way up because I didn't want it to seem like the color just like stopped on my lid. I wanted it like blown all the way out. So now I'm going to do my winged liner, and I'm doing like a wing liner that's a little different. I don't know if you've noticed, but I genuinely hate wing liners. Like, I hate liner in general. I never do liner because I just think it's so difficult to do. It's one of my hardest things for me to do, and I don't think it suits my eye shape that well, to be honest. But I was watching a video by Iris. She actually did this look, which is crazy because I did it for a party I went for. It wasn't this smoked out, but a few days ago, and yesterday also, well, as of when I'm filming this, she posted a video doing this look, and I planned to do it too, so I guess. But she also taught me the eyeliner trick I'm about to do. I'm going to use tape first of all to kind of like define where I want my eyeliner to be, because I'm never able to get it as sharp as I want at the end. So I just take some tape. Okay, so now we have the tape placed on. So I'm going to go with my Maybelline Kajal liner, and I'm going to line my lid just like I would do for a regular wing. You don't have to be too precise because we're going to smoke this out. That's the trick I learned from Iris, smoking out. I just love how sultry it makes your eyes look. And I like this Kajal for this step because I feel like it's much easier to smoke out than regular. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit close. So now we're close and personal. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with this angled brush. It's not very thin, it's pretty thick, and I'm going to use that to first start to smudge the line. And I'm just going to go over it and go a little higher and turn it, to change it from like this way to this way, just so it smudges. I'm going to go with this really dense shader brush that I have. It's actually called a smudge brush from, it's like the Must Have Smudge. I think it's by Sephora, I'm not sure, it's rubbed off. But yeah, I'm going to use that, and it's really short so I can get all the way in there. I'm just going to roughly but gently at the same time. So what I'm going to do now is go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and take the black from that palette, pat most of it onto the base of the wing, and then use whatever is left over to just smudge into the red. Oh, now this is going a little too out. I'm going in with some red just to like tame it a little bit because the line went a little wild. This liner is a lot thicker than I anticipated, but I'm not mad. It looks really nice. Man. Moment of truth, guys. Oh, Schwab. So it's smoked out to perfection, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye of camera, and I'll be back once I'm done. So I went ahead to finish this eye of camera, and I popped on my lashes because it takes me forever to pop on my lashes, and I actually really like how it turned out. This is what it looks like right now. These are the Bejewelled lashes in this style Arewa by the Bejewelled Bud. The Bejewelled Bud is my friend Angela. She's so cute, and she makes these lashes, and they're so bomb. They're mink lashes. You can wear them, I think, up to 27 times. And this is like my 4th time wearing them, and I really like them. They're really cute. She has like 4 styles, and it's for more like, you know, simple type lash wearers. Sorry my face looks like this. I have primer on, but yeah, she has like very simple eyelash styles, and obviously I got the most dramatic ones, the Arewa ones. Check her out on Instagram. I'll leave her Instagram and everything at the description box below. Also, I'm sure I'm going to get a ton of questions about where my hair is from. So my hair is from Sutra Hair on Instagram. Their Instagram is Sutra by CC. I'll write it somewhere here. You need to DM them to order this particular hair because it's like, you know, limited or like special or something. I don't remember. But they're really good. They're really sweet. They reply their DMs all the time. They're owned by 2 Nigerian girls, as well as the Bejewelled lash, also by a Nigerian. And tell them Annabelle sent you for both. If you place either order, tell them Annabelle sent you. So next step is foundation. I'm going to go in with my Too Faced foundation. This is in the shade Tiramisu. Tiramisu, I don't know how to say it, but that's the shade. It's one of the new shades by Jackie, and I'm so happy. I've been loving this foundation so much. I use like 2 pumps on it. And at first I thought I wouldn't like this foundation because, you know, it's not the most matte, but I've actually been loving it. I don't know if it's a mixture of, you know, the foundation plus my new priming routine, or if it's just the foundation, but it's honestly amazing. And I'm so proud of Jackie, and especially in the summer, because my other foundations, like my NARS and my Huda, have just been too light. I think I got really dark this summer. Okay, so I went ahead to blend out my concealer and set it. I set it with the Laura Mercier in medium deep or whatever, and then I've just focused the translucent by my nose, just to give my nose, you know, a little bit of a snatched look. So I'm going to go in with the Brownie Bites contour color from the BH Cosmetics and ItsmyRayeRaye Palette, and I'm going to give myself some cheekbones that I didn't have before. So now that I'm pretty much done with my skin, I'm going to go ahead and do my lower lash line, and I'll pretty much just repeat the same thing that I did at the top at the bottom. First of all, I'm going to take the kajal and line my waterline. And I'm going to go in with the same color that I used on my lid slash crease slash everywhere, the Ada color from the Masquerade palette. So now to take away some of the powdery look that I'm having right now, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline setting spray. I actually can't say Maybelline right. Is it Maybelline? I don't know. But try the setting spray. That was a lot. Next, I'm going to go in with my MAC Raisin Blush. It's like I've hit pan, I need to buy a new one. But it's like my favorite blush. I've been loving it so much. I'm just going to pack it on. And I've also been loving blush a lot this summer. I've used so much blush. And this is literally the blush I use all the time. So the next step is highlight, as you've probably guessed. And I'm going to use the same highlight, the Broadway by Artist Couture. It's pretty much pink, but it looks gold when you rub it in. It's so pretty. So So I'm back, and this is what the finished look looks like. I really like my highlights, I like my skin, my eyes are amazing, everything is just giving me life. So now for lips, I feel like this look was screaming for a nude pink lip, but that's how I feel about every single look that I create. And I know that a nude pink lip is not very fall appropriate or whatever. So I'm going to try and do like a dark red, which is very outside of my comfort zone, and I hope I like it. I probably will change it after, but that's what we're going to go for now. So I'm going to go with my MAC lip liner in chestnut. Sorry, I meant in Currant, not chestnut, because I use chestnut all the time. I haven't used Currant in so long. And this, I've been doing something very different with my lip lining. I overline my lips now. I know, right? Join the gang. But I overline my top lip because I like how it looks. Just makes it look much fuller, especially when I'm doing like an actual color as opposed to just regular lip gloss. So I'm back, and this is the finished look. My camera keeps shutting off. I'm so sorry. This camera is really frustrating me. But I went ahead and used Monte Carlo as I said, and so I went ahead and popped on a, where's it? This Gloss Me by Sleek. It's in the shade Phoenix Rising, and oh my goodness, I am in love. Like, everything just looks so good. I hope you guys think the same. Everything just looks so flawless. And for those wondering where I got my shirt from, Thick Thighs Thin Patient, it's from Fashion Nova. I'll link it in the description box. And yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and best believe that I'm back with a bang, and I'm back and I'm better, and I'm going to stay back. Knock on wood. Don't forget to like, share, show your friends, you know. And yeah, I'm going to go take some pictures and film myself a little bit. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video once again, and I better see you in my next video, and the one after that, and the one after that. Well, anyway, I will see you later, and bye.